Hello guys. Today I'm going to explain about our app which is Complaint Resolution. This is our app and this is our logo and this is our splash screen or load screen. So yeah. So here we are registered by our emails. So we need to press our email like Arush Goyal at gmail.com. But actually I forgot my password, so I'll press on the forgot password page. And I need to type the email Arush Goyal at gmail.com, yeah, and we submit it. So yeah, an email has been sent to you with the recovery token. It is sent to our Gmail account. We'll receive a new email anytime. Yeah, we received it. This is our recovery token, which is BB94F5. We need to press this here. BB94F5. BB94F5 and the new password which we want to set. I want to set it for LNMIT because this is the presentation of LNMIT and we are proud LNMITians. Yeah, so we got the password has been successfully changed. You can go back to login. So our new password is LNMIT ROSGYL at gmail.com. The password right now is LNMIIT and a login, and the complaints are loading, and this is the complaint screen right now, which will probably improve in the coming sprint. But yeah, these are the waiting complaints, these are the resolved and rejected complaints. We have actually uh, used the Mockeru app to generate some lifelike complaints which are shown here: real and hybrid protocol, organic analyzing circuit, and yeah. So app functions like 10 complaints at a time, and then when all the complaints are shown, here little no more complaints and a smiley. So these are the complaints right now. There are around 20 complaints, 20 from 10 from Mockeru and 10 we have tweeted. All these complaints with hashtag LNM complaints are the one we tweeted, and the ones without them are generated by Mockeru. And yeah, we can open the complaint which is right now waiting. So this is a proper complaint, so I'm going to resolve it. Yeah, so this is changed even in the database, and the next time we will open the app it will be shown as resolved, and in the next sprint we'll make it such that whenever I resolve a complaint, a direct message in Twitter will be sent to guy who complained. But right now this is under construction, and you can see this is an meaningless complaint, so I'm going to reject it. Yeah, this is rejected, and this is the change password and logout page, and the little circle here should ideally show our photograph which is stored in the database, and we can change password even here. I will change it right now, which is LNMIIT. New password will be just lnm change password. Yeah, this successfully changed. So I'll now right now uh, do a live tweet and show you how it works. Okay, now I'll tweet something. My room is pretty messed up, so I will just I need to clean my room. And we need to put the hashtag LNM complaint. Yeah, this is what I'm going to tweet. Yeah, this is the tweet. I need to clean my room. Now I'll go and start my app again. The same old things. Email Arush Goyal at gmail.com and the changed password, which is lnm. So yeah, this is the new tweet I just tweeted. I need to clean my room. Of course, this is something I need to do myself, and the complainants won't be doing it, so I reject it. Yeah, this is how our app works right now, with a slide. This screen opens and closes, and this is the app right now. I'll show its code and how we wrote it in a second.
I'm back, and now I'll explain about our code and its deployment in IBM Bluemix. This is the IBM Bluemix where we deployed our code, and it has two things running right now. One is the app itself, and one is the tweet extractor, which extracts tweet and stores in our database, which is Cloud End database. And we have two services, which are Cloud End NoSQL database, which serves as a storage, and one is the availability monitoring and performance monitoring, which will judge our performance. Now I'll show you our Cloud End database. I need to launch it. Our net's a bit slow. Yeah, and I have all these documents, and I made around 4 views: a complainant by handle, complaint by timestamp, departments list, and supervisor by email. This has our registered email IDs, which is right now just one, which is arushgoyal@gmail.com, which I just showed you. And right now the password is not yet protected. We'll protect it in the next sprint. These are the complainants. Only 2 guys complained to us till now. And these are the complaints. And these are sorted by timestamp. So the latest one is the last one. This is the complaint I just tweeted in my demonstration phase. And these are the complaints, other complaints. So this is our database, and I'll show you a code which is divided into 4 parts. One is the front end Byakugan, the backend Renegan, and these are the data models, which are the most basic part of our code, and QB, which is the tweet extraction class. These are already done in the first sprint, and so are updated 17 days and 20 days ago. And I'll show you our backend right now. This has a API specification, which is like a documentation of the request sent by front end and granted by backend. It has every single thing documented neatly. And this is our main backend. We have coded everything in Python, and the front end is coded in HTML and CSS. We have two platforms right now, browser and Android. The browser one has CSS, JS, Cordova, with which we actually port our front end into an Android device. And the other one is Android, of which Cordova is the core one, and the regular JSON files and everything. So this is your front end, and I'll show you our data models, which are the same as the last time, as they were last updated around 20 days ago and 17 days ago. Yeah, these are the models. It has all the basic ones, basic elements like complaint, complainant, department, password recovery, supervisor. As we have mentioned in the previous video, our project layered architecture project, and this is the first basic layer, and then we generate APIs through using Flask, which is done here in the Renegan part, and this is how our code works. Thank you.